Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford EcoSport battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench or socket and some safety gloves. Always prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a level surface and engaging the parking brake. Make sure the ignition is completely off and all electrical accessories, like the radio or lights, are powered down to prevent any accidental shorts. Next, locate your Ford EcoSport's battery, typically found under the hood, sometimes behind a small electronic control unit box or air filter housing. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen and remove the negative terminal first. This is crucial for safety. Then, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal. Be very careful to avoid any metal tools or parts touching both terminals simultaneously. With the terminals disconnected, it's time to free the battery from its tray. You'll find a hold-down clamp or bracket, usually secured by 1 to 3 10mm nuts. Unscrew these nuts and carefully remove the bracket. If your battery has handles, use them to lift the old battery straight out of the engine bay. Avoid tilting it to prevent any potential acid spills. Now place your new battery securely into the battery tray. Reinstall the hold-down bracket and tighten its nuts firmly. When connecting the terminals, always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Ensure both connections are snug. After installation, you might need to reset your vehicle's clock and potentially recalibrate any one-touch window functions, which is a simple process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.